the St. John University Nordon MBA award liya tuzre ta chongle lobeng chagale to dusre ane ngode nami thangwa de tembe chagale de ane tidenge ni don tinde suye ta de ane majmanche kingre ane maging na ane arena liya ane dine sinda ta khalisho da chaganang de zamba khande nangi yore no dinde school this kendo ye chete de Nordon tinde chita ane nami thangwa ane samay se toya ta ane odile chito ta tidenge de dumde oji se shaye ane nge thangwa nyewo yongye de wa yo shwenye
I invite you to please stand or remain standing for the singing of our national anthem, which will be led by Anna Patrick, Master of Education, School of Education, Class of 2022. Immediately following the singing of the national anthem, please remain standing for our invocation, which will be delivered by Reverend John J. Holliday, CM, University Chaplain, Office of University Ministry.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars and wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
God of joy and hope, we thank you for this time of graduation. We thank you for the gifts of these graduate students of Peter J. Cogan College of Business to see us to this hopeful moment. And in gratitude, we pray for our fellow students who have taught us about friendship, collaboration, and sharing. God, even as we have faced challenges and accomplished much, we understand that our lives move into a new chapter now, where there will be more challenges to face and more will be asked of us in order to accomplish good things. May your grace ease our anxiety and fears so we may stay encouraged about the future. Give us patience in our lives. Help us to enliven hope in the world. And may this celebration be a reflection of all the blessings that we find in knowing and loving you. We ask these things in your most holy name. Amen.
Amen. And most especially the Tobin MBA and Master's Class of 2022. I want to personally congratulate each and every one of you on your accomplishments. I also want to congratulate all of the families here today. I know that education is a family affair. So I ask that all of our graduates please stand and thank your families for their support and encouragement with a round of applause. This past year has been full of challenges due to the post-pandemic transition and recovery. But it has also been change more rapidly than ours did. Become comfortable saying, I don't know, at least once a day. And asking a question at least 10 times a day. Asking questions is a sign of leadership. You will need to cultivate curiosity to be the leaders of your generation. Third, be compassionate. Be more judgmental about ideas and less judgmental about people. Own your mistakes, share your wins. Forget about getting better at what's easy for you. Get better at what is difficult for you. You will not be remembered for who you are, but rather for what you do. Ask yourself every day, what have I done today to make our society more inclusive? As Maya Angelou said, I have learned that people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did.
And now we will begin the presentation of the Master of Business Administration, Master of Science, and the Advanced Certificate candidates for individual recognition. Dear graduates, as you leave your seats, please have your grad pass ready to be shared at the scanner.
Leandra Ricks, Tyrone Baudelaire, Thomas Chu, Tenzin Nordon, Brian Castro, Linda Wong, Giancarlo Pilato, Eugene Zhang,
most heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to our newest alumni, the graduates of the Peter J. Tobin College of Business class of 2022.
When you entered this arena today, you entered as students, but when you leave, you will leave as proud alumni of St. John's University and join the tens of thousands of graduates who went before you. The Peter J. Tobin College of Business graduates are making a difference every day in this city, this state, this country, and around the world. Go forward, be extraordinary, be someone special, and do something that will make you proud, your family proud, and St. John's University proud. And remember, we are always